there. Today I got mail. Pioneer AVH-Z9200DAB with Apple CarPlay wireless. Cables, more cables, and this I'm very excited about, if it is what I think it is. It looks actually really good. Looks like it has some magnets, mounting, more mounting, and some screws. So now I can get rid of the old Audi MMI navigation crap. It's like an old DOS computer compared to the Pioneer that's out today. So I will try to show you how to remove the original Audi radio system, and I will show you how to mount the new system in the dash on the R8. Wrong way. So what I'm doing now is putting this one in a box, keep it for later if I will sell the car and the buyer wants to have the original system. You can just take out the new one and put the old one back, so it will be easy fix. I will need to read a little bit about this to see if there is some instructions. That was in the car when I bought the car, and they used this with the original radio. This is just crap. Now we have this Pioneer 9200 DAB without navigation, because of course there are navigation in Apple CarPlay, and the Apple CarPlay is wireless, so it's much easier. I can just keep the phone in my pocket, and when I start the car everything starts up here. No unit, and now it's already connected, so it's like in a matter of seconds. Should be. And this back screen I will try to change to I need to find a back screen I can download to a SD card, and then I can upload it here, I think. So this is a startup screen, and this is the background for when you're using the units. Different clocks, background, theme and lighting. Need to find some lights that's the same as original in the car. I think it's some really red ones, because it's red here, and when I turn on the lights there are red everywhere, so I think the red one is the correct one. I can actually upload background not only in startup but also in the menu. I need to find some backgrounds I can use, maybe download something, but I will just use this for now. I did not test the DAB because I'm inside. I'm not sure if it will work before I get outside. I did not put the antenna in the area it's supposed to be, because I don't want to fuck up this car, and also it's an aluminium chassis, so I'm not sure about the grounding on the antenna. So under here it was metal bar, not aluminium but steel, so I grounded the antenna under here, and actually it's working. And we are inside the building, so I think it will work outside also when I get outside. It's actually working. It's working. And here is a quick menu. You can go to Apple CarPlay. And I can go back to radio, but this list should be with the names. Yeah, okay. Remember, we are not far from the North Pole, so if this is actually working, it's really good. And also we are inside a big building. Country. So I made a promise to myself. It's the end of the world as we know it.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world.